Hello art friends, today we're going to be building a puppy. Now open up your Minecraft world and let's get into it. Welcome to the mega table. For this build you need black terracotta. I know it looks brown, but technically the name is black terracotta. You need white wool, brown concrete, black concrete, and white concrete. I'm going to refer to black terracotta as dark brown, just so you guys know. We're going to actually build it facing this way so that we got the cool background. And for these builds, I like to start from the bottom and work my way up. I removed the marker because this is going to be a lot bigger than the paper. We're just going to start all the way over here, and we're going to place 5 blocks with the black terracotta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, it's brown. Then we're going to skip a block and then go 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There we go. There's the bottom of our dog. This dog is going to have an outline kind of like the Hello Kitty. And let's start by making the bottom of this outline. We're going to go up 2 blocks on this side. This is the smaller, this is like the first foot right here. Then right here, we're going to go up 2, 1, 2. Then we're going to go over 2. And then we're going to go down 1. So we're going to connect this right here. And then we're going to go all the way to the end of this long piece. And we're going to go up 1 and then out 1. And then we're going to break this piece. So that's a diagonal piece. And then we're going to actually do that one more time. Up 1, out 1, and then break. So we have 2 diagonal pieces. And then we're going to go up 1 block. Oh, I guess that's over that one. That's fine though. Okay, now we're going to fill all of this in. We're going to go back to the small foot. And we're going to go 1, 2, 3 with the wool. And then we're going to go 2 on the left side. And then now we're going to place the brown wool just in this little corner right here. Now over here, we're going to start doing the other foot. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to do brown wool in this corner, and then we're going to do 2 right here. Nice. And then we're going to actually use our brown terracotta now. This is a little brighter than our black terracotta, and we're going to place that right there. And then we're going to fill in the rest of this with brown wool, just like that. Now coming over on this side, we're going to place a black terracotta on top of here, and then we'll just go up 1 more block like that. Then let's go back over here. This is 2 blocks tall, and then we're going to go up 1 again, and then over, and then break. So this should be even with this side as well. Now we're going to start on the left side, and we're going to go in 3 blocks. 1, 2, 3, like that. And then the brown terracotta here, this is the lighter one. And we'll go up 1 more with that. And then we'll just fill this in with brown wool as well. And then on this side, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Just kind of copying that same side. Then we're going to do the brown terracotta going up here. And then we're going to actually do some brown wool all the way across. And then on this second layer right here, we're going to actually do 1, 2 with the brown terracotta. And then we're going to just finish it all off with the brown wool. These are the front feet. This is the back foot. It's actually going to be sitting, and then the tail is going to go right there. Right now, we're going to actually finish the tail. We're going to go in 3 brown blocks. 1, 2, 3 right here. And we're going to place a black terracotta right there. And then from here, we're going to actually go up 3. 1, 2, 3 with the black terracotta. I'm just kidding. 4. We're going to go up 4 like that. So this should be 5 blocks tall. Then we're going to fill this in with brown wool. Then place the black on top of this, and then we're going to place a brown right here, and then this is going to go up to be even with this one. We're going to fill this with white wool, 2 blocks of white wool, and then right here on top of this white, we're going to place 1 black, and then we're going to do 1 right. I said 1 right, 1 white right there, and then we're going to place some black terracotta on this side and on top. So it should look like this. You can pause it and make sure yours looks the same. So we did the tail, now we got to finish the legs and the back. From here, we're going to go up 1 and then out 1 and then break this. Then from here, we're going to actually go up 2. So that's 3 blocks tall. Then let's come back over here. Let's actually finish this layer right here. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks. And then right here, we're going to place a brown terracotta. And then we're going to go in 2 blocks, 1, 2. Then we're going to do white wool on this corner, brown terracotta right here, then white wool again, and then brown wool to finish it. Since we got the border up on that side, we're going to build this border up too. We're going to go 1, 2 blocks, and that should be even. Now let's fill all of this in. So pay attention. We're going to do 1, 2 brown wool, and then brown terracotta, and then 1, 2 with the brown wool again, and then we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that with the white wool, and then finish with the brown wool. Nice. And then let's do the next layer. We're going to go 1, 2, 3 with the brown, and then we're going to do 3 with the white, and then 3 with the brown. When we get to right here, we're going to place the brown terracotta, and then we're going to just do some brown wool at the end. Okay, we got to build this up even more. Let's place one black terracotta on top of this brown piece. We're going to start going kind of in now. We're going to actually go up one more and break that piece as well. And then over here, we're going to actually place 2 blocks like that. And then let's fill this in as well. We're going to place a brown wool right here, then brown terracotta right here. And then we're going to just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, just all the way across, just like that. And then after this, we're going to go back to our black terracotta, and this is going to be the bottom of our dog's face. We're going to go across 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're going to leave this 3 block gap right here. And look, it looks so good. This is our dog's body. We're going to start off doing the border of the face first. We're going to go up from this corner right here. We're going to go up 1, out 1, break. But then we're going to do that again. Up 1, out 1, break. And then we're going to go up 1, out 1, break. Now with this one, we're actually going to go up 1, out 1. Don't break. Don't break that one. That one's good. And then we're going to go up 1, out 1, break. Up 1, out 1, break. So that's a very, very big diagonal. We're actually going to go up 1 more on this one. Can I flip around? Is there a better way to kind of see this? I know it's kind of dark. We have the Art for Kids Hub logo in the back. Maybe if we go like this. So very diagonal. So we're going to do 1 block diagonal, and then like a little L, upside down L shape right here. And then we're going to do 1 block diagonal and then 2 blocks up. And we're going to copy that exact same thing on this side. Up 1, out 1, break. Up 1, out 1, break. Up 1, out 1, break. Up 1, out 1, don't break. Up 1, out 1, break. And then up 1, out 1, break. And then up 1. Just like that. It's just this big bowl. It looks like a massive bowl. Let's first start off with our dog's snout. We're going to go in 1 from the bottom, in 1 from the bottom like that. And then we're going to go up 2 right here. 1, 2. Up 2 on this side. 1, 2. And then we're going to just kind of fill this in like this. And then we're going to place 3 blocks on top of this. And then let's fill this in at the bottom as well. There we go. Now we cannot forget, right in the center, we're going to break this block and we're going to place a brown terracotta. Wait, no, I think I like it better with the black terracotta, the dark brown. Next, what we're going to do, we're going to go over on our left side and go up 2 and over like that. And then up 2 and over again. We're going to just start filling this all in. Next on our list, we're going to do the eyes. And the eyes, we're going to build 4 blocks with the black like that. But then in the top left, we're going to break and place white concrete. And then we're going to do the same thing over here. 4 blocks, white concrete. Now I'm going to make the rest of this really simple. We're just going to fill the rest of it with brown wool, but we're going to add some details later. Your dog should look exactly like this. So now we have this big forehead for our dog. We gotta finish this. We're gonna do his ears. This is part of his ears over here and here. It's not actually like his whole forehead. We're gonna use the black terracotta and build up 2 on this side. And then we're gonna go over here and build up 2 here as well. And then let's just finish the top of the head. We're gonna go out 1, up 1, break it. Out 1, up 1, break it. And then we're gonna do the same thing over here. Up 1, out 1, break. Up 1, out 1, break. Then we're gonna go over 1, 2, 3 times. And then on the side 1, 2, 3. Like that. And then we're gonna just go down. So we're gonna go out 1, down 1, break. Then we're gonna just finish this off right here. So now we just got the full border of our dog. Now we just gotta fill it in. And then we gotta do the little outline for the ears. So let's just fill this all in with the brown wool. And there we go. Now we gotta do the outline for the ears. So right here on this like little corner piece that's like, we didn't break this one. Like, I don't know how to explain it. This little middle piece right here. So you look at this and then we're gonna just break 1, 2, and then diagonal, like that. And then we'll fill this in with brown terracotta. Then we're gonna go over here, the same little like diagonal, whatever, like L-shaped piece. We're going to go up 2 from it, and then diagonal 1, diagonal 1. And then we're going to fill this in. And I'm pretty sure that's it. I think we did it. That looks so good. Oh, I love the dog so much. You can also, I like sometimes adding the pale oak buttons right there. It kind of adds another additional highlight to it. But I don't know. maybe it looks better without it. This looks so good. I love this dog. I love the little floppy ears. I love the color of it. Just so you know, you can redo this and do any color you want. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to catch me up. That's my channel where I do additional Minecraft videos. You guys are awesome, and we'll see you later. Goodbye.